All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about what's going on around the shop. All right, so if you can't tell from that case, that's a Nissan CVT. I think he put that in last week. But if you look over there, that's a Chrysler transmission. He put a transmission in a Chrysler minivan today. Sitting outside right now, but it's done. Over here, he's got a Acadia with some security issues. The transponder decided to die on him. Another shop said it was engine locked up. Engine's not locked up. It just won't crank because of security. He's gonna mess with that tomorrow in the morning. He's got a BMW right here, doing an oil pan on. Previous wreck came back. So, got money to be made. All right, I've got this lovely POS that has been sitting for 6 months. Yeah, you heard that right. It's been sitting for 6 months. Probably has a bad CVT, low power complaint, but it's also been vandalized, had 2 flat tires, and the window that you see open is not because it's open, it's because it was broken. Had to put 2 tires on it, and as you can see from the OTC battery charger, I had to charge the battery because it was stone dead. Eric used my bay to put a starter in this CRV because we didn't want to push it across the shop. So he's got that done. He's got to test drive it in the morning and be ready to ship. As you can see from the timing cover, Zach's got a timing belt, front and rear brakes, power steering line, bunch of work on this Acura. All right, Daniel has this Malibu with a valve cover and oil cooler / filter stand leaking. He's got to finish this up in the morning. My wife's Equinox is sitting out front because I swapped cars with her so I could change the oil on it because she just got back from Texas not long ago. So, all right, Billy was out here working late. He had to put a shift cable in a Nissan right before he left. He's got a Mariner that he's doing a timing cover reseal on. Another technician did it a while ago, but it started leaking again, so we got to warranty it. 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. You're gonna have to warranty some stuff. And the technician that did it isn't here anymore. All right, this is my car. I know it's in Eric's bay, but unfortunately the key will not come out of the ignition because the shifter doesn't think it's in park. So it's got a new shift cable and a new shifter coming in. According to my information, the parts have been updated, so unless you update both, they won't fit. So I've got both those coming from Chrysler in the morning, and we'll get her fixed up. All right, so in case you were wondering about it, I did a video did one of these videos talking about Eric had a Hemi making some noise. Well, it's back together because he took it apart, and yeah, it dropped valve seats. So we're putting a used engine in it. Unfortunately, there's an issue with the used engine, so we're waiting for a new one to come from our favorite wrecking yard, LKQ. You know, everybody loves LKQ. Cole actually did a transmission on a Jetta, or Passat, actually. That one is done and ready to ship. I think it might have shipped, but he got that one done. And let's talk about Cole's nightmare. This lady has been back several times for a squeaking complaint on her front suspension. And first time it came back, we had a sway bar bushings were making noise. That got fixed. And then it came back with a different noise and turned out to be the control arm he put on that side that was still making noise. I had to help him diagnose that. But unfortunately, every time she has come back, and she's come back 3 times, she has a different complaint of ever since you. So This last time it was a backup camera issue, and so it's been a thorn in Cole's side. He's gotten rid of the noise, hopefully. I mean, it's not doing it. He can't replicate it anymore, so hopefully that's fixed, and she's happy. But we had to warranty a control arm because that was where the squeaking was coming from. I think when he was trying to align it, he was struggling to get the camber correct, and I think he had it not loaded when he tightened him down and might have tweaked the bushings, so they were squeaking. So it's fixed now, it's aligned, it's ready to go. So as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.